Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to zoom in and zoom out the TikTok video. It's very easy, so let's get started with the process. The first step to take guys is to open your TikTok application, and then if you find a video, find any video on TikTok, you can zoom in and zoom out. Now how can you do that? You can do that with just your two fingers. Just place your two fingers on the video and try to widen your finger, and then you can now zoom in. If you want to zoom out, this is how you can zoom out. You place your two finger on the video and just try to widen the finger. Then this is how you can actually zoom out. But if you want to zoom in, try to close your finger. Make sure it's still placed on the video and try to close it just like this. All right, so guys, this is how you can zoom in and zoom out TikTok video. Hope this guide is helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this.